Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get unlimited reviews on chess.com. So let's get right into it. Now, you could technically make a new account for every review that you want done for every game. However, of course, that is a very tedious process and you're going to run out of email addresses in like 5 minutes. So that is technically not doable per se. You can do it, but it is incredibly tedious. But yeah, that is because you only have a limit of one per day if you're a free user. However, the way to get more than one per day is, of course, to become a premium user. And to do that, you either click here on free trial or go into settings and into membership options and select a plan. If I click on this, as you can see, now I have the option to select any plan, either monthly or yearly. It really doesn't matter which one I choose. And you can choose whichever you want, gold, platinum, or diamond. And as you can see, you get unlimited lessons for gold, and you pretty much, I'm pretty sure, get unlimited reviews for everything. Now, actually, no, it's only for platinum and diamond. For gold, you don't get unlimited game reviews. You only get them for the mid range and the high range or the upper range plan, and that is pretty much the only way to get free premium or free game reviews. You do need to get premium. There is no other way to get unlimited reviews. That it is simply what it is. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.